What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be installing my ISR exhaust that I got from Juku Racing. So the first step I already did. Car's already up on jack stands, so we just need to get underneath it and take out all the bolts. And as you can tell, the tip's definitely gonna look a lot different. So let's get this started, and I'll get back with you once I get everything off. Alright, as you can see, we're gonna need a 17 millimeter for this nut, and then there's a nut there, and that goes all the way back to the muffler. I'm gonna try to take it off at one piece, so hopefully this works. Alright, so now that we got the bolts loosened, we're gonna have to take this hanger, and then there's a couple of hangers in the back. So let me take this off, and I'll get back with you. Alright, so as you can see, there's a exhaust hanger here and one over here. So I already got all the ones, so it's just hanging by a thread right now, as you can tell. So I'm gonna get this off and then throw this one out. Alright, just got one more, and then hopefully it doesn't hit me. Alright. So, as you can tell, we got the old one out. It's right here. As you can tell, tips definitely a lot different. So we're just gonna actually use the old exhaust hangers, and we're just gonna button everything up, and once I'm done, I'll show you the final product. Alright, so we're back. Sorry, I had to charge my battery. It died. So right now I'm gonna start from the back and then work my way forward to the cat. So let's get started. Alright, as you can see, I got the mid pipe gasket and bolts already, and then to the front pipe gaskets and bolts already. So we're just gonna put this in and then snug everything up, make sure everything's good. So far the fitment is pretty good. I'll show you everything once I'm done. Alright, so now we're going to be tightening this up. So one bolt is a 16 mil and the other is an 18. And we're not going to tighten it all the way, I'm just going to snug it. Alright, then we're gonna move on to the mid pipe / cat. So once I get up there, I'll show you guys. Alright guys, so finally we got the exhaust on. As you can tell, it definitely looks a lot different than the OEM. So let's get this thing a little start. See how it is. Definitely a lot deeper than